Hello everyone, respected Shravan sir and all my seniors and your friends. A peaceful good evening to all. My name is Swapna from Chemical Engineering and I am happy to introduce tonight's guest Sindhu Akka and Tejasri Akka, and I welcome all to this event. Let us start our program with a prayer song as per our culture by Kranti Vennela.
Thank you, Swapna. या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा. Thank you all.
You are an amazing singer. Thank you, Kranti Vennela. Now, we are all very excited to know about these marvelous people who have become athletes at this small age and have accomplished many things in their life. So, let we start knowing about them through questionnaires. So, Akka, how did you get started your journey?
Actually, it was an idea given by one of our alumni, Sethuraman sir. Then it was get into progress by Vinayanna, Tejasri Akka and Shravan sir. After 2 months of their journey, I get entered into that journey. So how I got to know means during the induction, Vinayan and all the ESL people take the session about the ESL. In that, Vinayan proposed that there is a chance of placing an author in the women edition from the first years. So basically, from the childhood, I was interested in writing many things, and that too not in non-technical parts. So in that way, I got interested. I put an application form. There is a small procedure like putting an application form. Then like a few seniors interviewed me, and during that time I got selected. And in that way, I started my journey, and it was the age of 18. The first year, same like you people, like starting after the 20 or 30 days of college reopening. The first year. So this is the way how I
Okay, Akka,
started. Thank
your journey. Tejasri Akka, can you?
Hello all. First of all, it's a pleasure to be interviewed by some new kids. Um, could you please repeat me question once again?
How did you get started your journey, Akka?
So how I was started is mm, it's I was completely not involved before in the ESL, but later on I just was um in the I think it is the end of my first year when the summer holidays were begin. I was in the internship with AMC Solutions, which was proposed by Shravan sir. Then on, in that moment, I used to write every day about my summary, what I learned the same day. So on that particular day, what I learned, I just write whatever I think or whatever I learned, just I blindly I just write. I will write and just I'll post to Shravan sir saying that correct me if in case or if any what in what cases I would improve. Then has he seeing he's watching all my writing skills, thinking I used to write some of the quotations also. So from there, I think sir has told me about that. We are starting a new book called Voices of Alumni Women Submission. So I think that was the start of my journey. And he said, Vinay is Vinay from chemical engineering also writing the same book. So I was very happy that I already know Vinay about, but I didn't even walk any time with him. So I thought it was a very um, nice chance for me to do that. So I started with him. Then later on, after 2-3 months, it Sindhuja has came into picture, and we three became as a team. And and according to our Voices of Alumni Women edition, also it is like we, right? So women's edition. So we and we three are in that position, that friends we are. Thank you.
Thank you, Akka. Perhaps Nivedita would like to add a question. Go ahead, Nivedita.
Good evening, Sindhu Akka and Tejashree Akka. I would like to ask a question how long does it take you to write a book?
Sindhu will answer first.
Like it was an idea started in January. Then we are completed a book at November, and at the last month December we did the pure edited part, and we published the book on December 22nd at AGM meeting. It was an global alumni meet. It was one of our proudest moment. So it nearly takes 12 months, and we are also thinking to start the series 2, and we don't want to stop this journey and our beautiful moments. You can add more points, Saka.
See, the question is how long does it take, right? So you told me the how long it took. Then, yeah, that is what the time we have taken. But one thing which we learned is from this long journey, we have not got a particular time of the for interviewing some particular woman. We used to ask for many times, like we have to keep the message for first time, then on second time, then on reminders, then on it, so to get the proper time of. And so our schedule is completely different. Sindhuja is from first year food technology, I am from second year textile technology, and Vinayanna is chemical engineering third year. So it is three completely different branches and three different timings, and for all it is for us three, it has to be very difficult for to join together. And among if we come together also, sometimes there is a disturbance in the interview time with along with the woman. So that is the situations we face, that might be the reason for taking long distance for this book. But it doesn't take much time to write any book if you have if you are consistency about your thinking and your words. It doesn't take time. See, even later on, after our books, so many books have been written, they have completed in within 2 months. So maybe the first we are the first one, so might it taken all these experiences and gathered. Yeah. So but yeah, we can reach in 2 months, 1 month, anything, but ours has taken these long time because of the timings we had. Yeah.
Thank you, Akka, Sindhuja Akka and Tejashree Akka.
Thank you.
Hi Akka, this is Kranti Venala from Food Technology. I want to ask a question. Did you face any difficulties while writing the book?
Again to Sindhuja.
This is ante akka ఇది ఎలా ఉందంటే like I am giving the short answer and you are elaborating my answer like in that way.
No, I'm just giving chance to the my favorites.
Coming to the difficulties, maybe you people does not know. We are followed the transcription process. It means during the interviewing process, we record the whole interview, then we transcribe those recordings into our words. So usually for the recordings, when we listen to the 5 minutes recording, it took 1 hour to write the part. So it is one of the difficulty, but we does not think it like overstressed, because we are enjoyed that journey. We enjoyed the part we are listening. We learned many things, and for few months, their words were like reminding in our minds. So it was one of the most difficulty and most favorite thing for me. And other difficulties, as Tejaka said, our timings are totally different. And who is the speaker, the coming? Their timings is also different, as we are in the offline stage. In the college it really impossible, because from the morning to like 6 up to 6 we are having the classes. So it makes somewhat time management is not that much available for us. So it is one of the one difficulty. And I can also say like for me, just only personally me, as I'm the first year, right? After coming to the college, in within the 1 month, I got interacted with two of our seniors, like habituating to the college environment. And I also get scared of the college in the country. It was the starting stage kada. And like studies ఎలా ఉంటుందో మనకు తెలియదు. And also getting involved this major part, it is not a small thing. It was a big responsibility that I am working with the senior and to complete a book in the given time. And it is also chance of interacting with the most senior and successful alumni. So we should be careful at what we are doing. So there are few things like time management, studies, and recording transcription process. And these are the few things I faced difficulties. But after the completion of book, I can easily suggest like what are the things we can do better to complete the book in a given time, and also the major things how the reader can favorable to the book. Yes, Akka, you can add now.
So difficulties. So first thing we remember for difficulties is the transcription process. So as Sindhu said, for 10 minutes of recording, see we the process is like this. If we went for interviewing some woman, we used to keep one phone aside for recording the voice. Okay, for that we used to come after coming to the hostel. We used to listen completely, because for 10 minutes if we listen and writing and then typing. Sometimes I used to write, Sindhu might type, but I just want to write to correct all those sentences. So I used to write, then on type. It is much difficult in that time we faced. So for 10 minutes it took 1 hour and 1.5 hours. So the interview is completely like hours of one of the interview is 1.5 hours. So and that is listening that all we three, like Vinayana, Sindhu, we divided ourselves the minutes, how much minutes you have to do, but we divided like that. Even though for that each people used to get 30 minutes at least. Then we used to write, then writing and typing. And one thing is very important, that is editing part. My god, we edited our book probably 10 times, Sindhu.
It is
We
more than we printed many times.
for each, like we interviewed 6 women. So we, for 6 women, we have edited many times, because for me it's good, but sometimes Sindhu might not like it. So is that the sentence is perfect or not? Should we keep, is it reader friendly? is the people who are reading it get sleep or not, or if they wanted oh next what is the thing in the world. So we always think about the reader friendly, how the, see, suppose I am the person who was new and just reading the book, I want to think that I want to read more and more. So in that perspective we are thinking, and we used to correct all the editing parts, we are underlining, and what on the topics we should focus on, so what are the pictures we have to keep. These were the things. Even some I edited pictures many times, people were, no, I think it is not good, this is were good. So this is the things which happened, but the process was really awesome, we had enjoyed that fun. So doing so many times also give you clarity, right? So I think we mostly focused on reader friendly, so for that we have done so much work for it. So editing and the transcription process are the difficulties we faced, and I think that was the biggest. I am not remembering what other ones are, because we had very much fun. That only two things which, but we have to do that. We even thought of searching for the website which, if we give a voice, does it right. We have gone through many apps and websites, but we didn't we got it, but it doesn't productive, it's not that much productive. So I think with that we just done manually by listening to the voice hours and hours and used to write and type that in the book. Hope that makes sense.
Yeah, thank you, Sindhu Akka and Tejasvi Akka, for answering this question.
Sure, thank you so much.
Hi, Tejasri Akka, Sindhu Akka, I'm Kushala. I have a question. What were your happy moments while you're writing the book?
For me, the whole 12 months, not only 12, like it nearly takes 14 to 15 months. It was, the whole journey was happiest moment. But I can elaborately say, like for each interview, I will say one happiest moment. Like for the first speaker, our first speaker is Shailaja ma'am. I got personally connected with the ma'am because her depth spiritual principles get connected to her soul, and it was my first journey with Vinayanna, and it was at evening time. I think so. In Annaya mind ఇంకా few questions తో fill చేసా about the how it will be the అంటే time management ఎలా చేసుకుంటాము అవన్నీ. At that time, we got blessed with the Shailaja ma'am parents. It was one of the happiest moment for me. And the second thing, Chesi Sunanda ma'am session appudu, we three went to the ma'am homes. It was like it is the most funniest thing because at that time the craziest one is నా స్లిప్పర్ తెగిపోయింది, అప్పుడు చెప్పులు తెగిపోయింది. And after the session, we also planned to visit Birla Mandir at that time. Like off day session kaipoindi, and remaining off of the day we were thinking just to roam and just we want to free ourselves. And it is not only for the book part kada. As a seniors, juniors, we want to interact more later. We went to Birla Mandir and shared many thoughts, and we also realized that there are many points like Tejaka and me and Vinayanna has this many common points in us. So maybe it is the one reason we got a name like V. And then when coming to the Shashikala ma'am session, it is the evening time in the college only. It was like it went to up to 3 hours. In 3 hours, it was just the weather became so cool. It was rainy and outside there was storming. Even though we does not know how the time passed up to 3 hours, like in each session we felt like they treated us like like their children's anamata, and they shared their personal, professional, and everything, whatever the issues they faced in the journey. So like. What I personally felt happy means being at that stage, they're the most successful people. They're willing to share their thoughts, views, and experiences with us, and they're believing in us. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ హ్యాపీయెస్ట్ పార్ట్. ఇలా చాలా ఉన్నాయి. మేబీ ఇట్ టేక్స్ ద హోల్ సెషన్, ఐ థింక్ సో. ఎస్ అక్క, యూ కెన్ యాడ్.
What were your happy moments while writing the book?
Okay. And one thing for you, I think that was a great poster. I loved it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for. So my happy moments every day is like a very good, like it's a memorable days every day. When we walked, when we ride, when we together had fun, it's every moment is really memorable days. So what is the worst thing? I can't say, because every day, like I think I have joined in many groups, right? So but for me, it is like we is our women's audition. Like Sindhuja is my like baby. We have kept her name as a baby star. Not me, sorry. It's Michelle Maras ma'am. So I think my favorite team is we, because where I started doing complete my thoughts, my implementing my thoughts in this group I have started here. And the memorable days, as she mentioned, every woman. First, we had a session with Shashikala ma'am. So where we even thought completely 3 hours as a movie. We are only in the interview, not even thinking of that something is raining outside. It's a very cloudy, it's a full rainy session. We are not even listening, but we are just beside the window, but even we are not recognizing that much we are involved in that session. And we had very emotional session. See, women, according to women, all these stories are women, right? All stories are emotional. Like we feel very quiet sometimes, we will like sometimes blushing, sometimes it's sometimes funny, but most of the time it is emotional. But finally we will end with emotional only. The stories are like that. So all these women are like they worked hard. They, in that time, it is completely different. 1985, think about that situation where women can't come out of their homes. But these people, like my favorite, I think my all team favorite is Aruna ma'am. She is the one girl. She is working completely around. I think she might be sleeping only 3 hours a day. That much she had worked. And her life journey, if you could if you want to want if you want to read that, please go through our books. Her story was completely inspiring. It's mind blowing. But we didn't have a time. Like she is in Bangalore. We didn't have a direct connection with her, but we had a Zoom call and we interviewed. But the session was completely inspiring and emotional. She used to be go in very early mornings, and she used to come in the say 2 in the midnight, that completely with clients, working in that time. So that was amazing. So I think what the happiest moment is, every woman story we had inspired. So that inspiration gave us to do more work and also give a perfect book. That is the amazing. And the happy moments is having we as a group became as a team, then became as a family, then became as a very close friends. That is our tagline. I mentioned I can mention. Okay.
Thank you, Akka.
I'm Hafsa Fatma from Chemical Engineering.
Yeah.
So my
Hello.
question for both of you is that were you excited when you got to know that you were going to write a book?
I think the question is very near same. It should ask to me, because I always be excited for any reason. Without any reason also I will be excited for so I think I got name because of this book as an excited girl. My team used to call that. So because for every new work I used to be um, as you mentioned, excited. I am excited while sir has given me chance. I think it was the night time sir has told me like this, but I was like exciting and didn't sleep for so long hours that I'm going to write a book, being an author. So I didn't expected this book is coming in the best way, but I felt like every moment is excited because going to Sunanda ma'am house is completely different, because the experience we had is she received the way she received, the way she talked, the way she shared her memories with us. Still, we are completely hearing her session, right? And I think Seshikala ma'am also, she's completely from the heart. She's talking with like their own kids. So that made her some completely blown away and feeling excited for next. Wow, so next, who is we are going to interview, who is we are going to have fun with. Yeah, that moment was completely right. Every time it differs excitement, but it doesn't come low, because every time is a new experience, every woman is special there. And for to come with Sindhuja also, I just continue then for Sindhuja's words also.
Excitement అంటే ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ starting women edition undi anagane they said to write the application form just about the details and how you want to write, ante why did you want to write the book ani annaru. Then normally I did not know how to even write the application form at that time, so just people are written like in one page ala raste I written like 3 pages form ala rasan anamata. So at the same night Vinayanna call chesaru, up to three pages రాసాను. I don't know అంటే అలా రాయొచ్చా రాయరాదు, I just went with a flow అన్నమాట. సో ఎట్ దట్ టైం అన్నయ్య కాల్ చేసి ఏంటి సింధు యు ఆర్ రిటర్న్ దిస్ మచ్ అంటే నాకు స్టార్టింగ్ భయం అయింది, అంటే ఐ డోంట్ నో కదా. ఈవెన్ దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం ఐఎమ్ స్పీకింగ్ టు ఎ సీనియర్. అలా కాల్ చేసి అనేసరికి నాకు ఇంకా భయం అయింది, ఏం చేయాలో కూడా అర్థం కాలేదు. లేటర్ అన్నయ్య చెప్పారు, ఐ వాస్ రియల్లీ జస్ట్ ఇంప్రెస్డ్ బై ద వే యూ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఈచ్ థింగ్. ఇన్ ద అప్లికేషన్ ఫామ్ తో డైరెక్ట్ గా సెలెక్షన్స్ అవ్వడం అంటే ఇన్ కేస్ this is the only one my decision, I will definitely select you annatuga. That was the first my happiest moment anamata, because without the experience I returned and I just get impressed by Annaya. So it is the first thing, and I shared this news to all my friends. This అంటే నార్మల్లీ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో చిన్నప్పుడు స్కూల్స్ లో దే ఆల్వేస్ వాట్ యు వాంట్ టు బికమ్ అంటే జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు రిటర్న్ ఏ బుక్ అంటే దే నార్మల్లీ పిల్లలు చిన్నప్పుడు కదా, సో దే ఆల్వేస్ లాఫ్ అనమాట. ఆథర్ అంటే ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్ యూనిక్ థింగ్ అండ్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ ఈవెన్ డస్ నాట్ నో వాట్ ఇట్ యాక్చువల్లీ మీన్స్. సో ఇంకా అప్పుడు నాకు జస్ట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో వెదర్ ఐ బికమ్ ఆర్ ఐ నాట్. జస్ట్ ఇంకా అన్నయ్య అనేసరికి నాకు ఇంకా ఆనందం సరిపోక ఐ కాల్డ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ అండ్ సెడ్ అనమాట. దట్ వాస్ ద ఫస్ట్ మై మోస్ట్ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ మూమెంట్. అండ్ like I started my journey with the top of the excitement, and it was the graph was just became like top Everest tak ellipoyindi adi. And each session was unique. They were beautifully inside and outside amata. Like I did not expect it from those people, like they treat us in that way. So each their ways were different. And coming to the questionnaire, for the same 20 questions we got different 20 different answers from the 6 different people anamata. So in their ways everything is correct. So these are the most remarkable moments of my life. And this one also, like when we got interviewed with the mistress ma'am, at that moment I felt like it was interviewed in my home with my family members. It was one of the proudest moment. And also at the AGM meeting I also invited my few family members to the meeting. It is these are the most excited part. And I can say being in the ESL is one of the, I am the lucky girl, and I'm also the baby star for the week. That's it, Akka.
Thank you.
Akka,
హలో అక్క.
Hello.
చెప్పండి చెల్లమ్మ.
హలో తేజస్వి అక్క. హలో సింధుజ అక్క. I am Supraja from Chemical Engineering.
Hi,
As
Supraja.
Sindhuja Akka said, hello Akka. As Sindhuja Akka said that she wanted to become a author, and what was your dream when you were a child?
Me?
Yes, Akka.
Yes.
I already Sindhuja Akka said, so I want to ask this question to you.
Actually, I never thought of being an author. I didn't know about I will write a book. I didn't have an idea. So it's came because as my chance, like this has happened because of just ESL. And Sir told me to it would be very good if you can be seen as a co-author of this book. So for that name to side of my name, I felt very proud that yeah, I would be a co-author, right? So then I thought of writing book, but before literally I didn't have any thought of writing a book. And but because I my dream, so coming to my dream, it's always changes because in childhood I thought one thing, then on one thing, then on one thing, and in BTech I thought one thing, and I'm thinking different way. So it's like um see, I'm just a crack man who always think that okay, this is not good for that situation, so I just want to shift out. So for particular goal from the childhood is IAS, but still I am not that much interested here. So I always used to change things um, according to the my way, when according to my mindset at that moment. So but I think I think being like me is not that much good. Having a goal, perfect goal, is very important in my sense. Like, if you wanna become something like doctor, you have to go in that way. Shifting might be sometimes according to the situations, it will be okay. But if you are willing and wanted to, for sure, go in that way. Because I am thinking in the ways that presently what I am thinking according to my goal is I just want to become all rounder, because I want to learn every thing. Like, it will not possible that everything won't come, but the thing here is I just see, for example, if I'm working in the Grossmart, if people were one of the person is video making, and one is website, one is like writing blogs, one is content, one is that. So in that place I just want to think that I just want to cover all these things. I learn from them, I learn from them, I learn from them. So I from for that place I want to become that all-rounder. So that type of mindset presently I had. So I'm taking time of everybody's and learning from each of them. So presently I anywhere, for example, along with we women's edition, Sindhuja will talk very heartfully. She talks with very heart, like from heart. And Vinayana, full caring. So I think I just want to grab those two qualities. That was a thing I actually keep in mind, that I have to grab this. So being an all-rounder is my best choice.